Hello dolls and gents, excuse my bed. I am washing my top sheet, but I wanted to come to you and kind of change out some of my makeup. We're going into March and I want to change out some of my makeup. So I do have some eyeshadow palettes and stuff on sale on Mercari and Poshmark. If you don't follow me there, contact me here or on Instagram. This is one of the ones that I'm going to be selling. It is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance, and it still has a lot of the regular colors left. And it's going to be like $5, $7 plus shipping. So it's not going to be expensive, but I'm just not going to use those other colors. So I want to switch this out to another palette. And I'm going to switch it out to the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, okay? I'm going to switch my sponge and my brushes out for the week. I need to wash my sponge and brushes. This Catrice baking setting powder, I'm going to switch it out, and I may even get rid of it. I may put it on Poshmark or Mercari, but I've kind of damaged the front. If I can clean it up, I may put it on Mercari or Poshmark for somebody to try. It's a dull color on me, so I love the powder. It bakes and sets very, very well. If you watch the reviews on this powder from other people on Instagram, this is a very, very good powder. I love the finishing look. My only problem is that it makes me look ashy. So I guess I chose the wrong color. So I am going to go back and try to get a different color. This color is Warm Nude, which I thought would be really good for me. But I need a little bit more yellow in it because I look very ashy, grayish with this on. So I'm going to put it up. And I think I'm going to switch to the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm going to switch to that one. Okay. This Milk Primer, as you can see, I only have like a drop left. I'm going to go ahead and use that up. I've been mixing that with the Pore Warrior Booster Serum. And I've been liking it. I've been noticing, and I just started using this. I think influencers sent me this months ago, and I never used it because I was like, what do I need a serum and stuff for? But I noticed around my nose and cheek area, I do have like large pores. So I decided to mix those two, and I've been using them. I've been using the Bobbi Brown foundation, and I've been mixing it with the Estee Lauder Double Wear because this is way too light and this is way too red. So they mix very well together. I want to leave these in here because I want to use them up. I really do. I want to use them up because neither one matches and I have to mix. So I want to leave those in there. I've been using the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. And I like that and I want to use it up. It's not as bright as I would like it on me. Is this even open? See, this is what I'm talking about. This one I'm not buying no more makeup. I only have 3 concealers. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define. It's not even open. I'm going to put this in here so I can try this. Maybe I'll switch out my Tarte Tape Shape. I've been using this for like 3 months now. I'm going to switch to this because I have not tried it or used it. So we're going to switch it. We're going to switch it. Okay. So I have the Morphe Continuing Setting Mist. Oh, nothing. Good. I wanted to use this up because I grabbed the wrong one. I think I feel a drop in here. A drop. So you might see this in the empties. And then the Revolutionary Sport Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. Just did my makeup for the day, so hey y'all. Sephora ain't honey. I got a feeling there's like this much left in here, so that'll probably be used up by the end of March. I have my banana powders in here. One by Ben Nye and one by Revolution. When you buy one, you don't need to buy all of this stuff. It is impossible to use all of this stuff up unless you're a makeup artist. only because you don't need to pack all this stuff on your face. So 15 people come out with a banana powder. Don't buy 15 banana powders. I think I have like 3 or 4 banana powders. So once again, if somebody wants to try a banana powder, let me know. I need to get rid of one of these banana powders because I'm pretty sure I have another banana powder in here by somebody. Y'all, please, please, please follow my Makari and Poshmark. Or if you on Instagram and you just want me to DM you the stuff I have for sale, let me know. I will DM you what I have for sale because you can try this stuff at a discounted rate. I cannot use all of this stuff. Okay, so we're going to finish this up for March. Finish this up. All right. Now, the stuff I've been using on my face. I've been using this as a transition color on my eyes because I don't like it on my face. And it's almost done. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's too light for me, but it works good on my eyelids. I'm going to use this for March, and then I'm going to put it in my empties. Whether it's done or not, this is gone after March. This is my Morphe Vlogger Contour. This is what I've been using for contour since like, we were shut down for a while, but since like November and stuff. I'm starting to hit pan. I really love it, but I'm going to switch it out. I want to switch it out to my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. If you're a woman of color, this is Sun-Kissed Bronzer. And I have used it before, and I love it, so I'm going to switch to this. I'm going to switch to that one. This is just an empty container I use to mix my foundation. It's an empty Lancome container. I just use it to mix my foundation because it's too light. What else is in here? Okay, this is my setting powder. It's the MAC Studio Fix in C6. I want to be done with this by the end of March. So your girl gonna be baked up because I want to be done with that and switch that out. I have this for sale on my page. If you want it, let me know. You don't have to go through Makari or Poshmark, but it's on there. This is a MAC Other Earthly. It's a mineralized skin finish. I don't know if y'all can see how beautiful that is. And I don't use it. I don't use it. If you were, this I think was a limited edition that came out. If you were wanting it, if you missed it, if you wanted to try it, hit me up. And this is Jolly Good Mineralized Skin Finish. This was the Kelly Osbourne. I need to put this back in rotation. It's been in here, but I haven't been using it. So I'm going to get back to using it. It's a little bright on me, but I like how it looks in my under eye area. So I'm going to use that. And what is this? Highlighter. This is the Revlon Skin Lights Bronzer. I'm going to take this out. It's actually a highlighter. They be calling bronzers highlighters, but it's a highlighter. And I'm going to take this out because y'all remember that influencer or Octoly sent me this Becca highlighter. I'm going to use this for March. So I'll take this one out. Take it out. Okay. So we got, I'm going to get makeup all over my bed. I'm going to have to rewash these this weekend. So we have some new stuff that we're going to use for the month of March. And we have some old stuff that we're definitely going to use up and get rid of. I've been trying to use these eyeshadow sticks that I got. I'm trying to use these eyeshadow sticks on my eyeshadow that I got from like a makeup show. So I have them in here. I have some eyeliners in here. NYX Epic Wear eyeliner is really good. Does not come off all day. Does not run. When I tell y'all it don't come off, it don't run. This one I would never buy again. The Essence 2-in-1 eyeliner pen. The pen part dries out too quick. And I can't figure out how to wind up the pencil part. If y'all know how to, let me see. If you can't sharpen it. I'm going to have to watch and see if somebody got a video on it. You can't sharpen it. You can't move it. I might just have to put it in my empties. Essence is not that expensive, so it's not to the point where I want to take it back to Ulta and get my money back, but I can't get the pencil part up, and then the liquid part just dries out. So that's probably about to go in my empties and go in the garbage. All right, people want to start texting me, so that means that I need to get out of here. So this is going to be my bag for the month of March, and I will try to remember to come back to y'all April or May and let you know what I've used up or what I'm switching to. But I do want to get some use out of my makeup, so I'm going to try to use this up. I'm going to really pack this face on. I'm back at work physically and remotely, but now I can really get back into my makeup. So that's what it is, and I'll see you guys in the next video.